Hi guys, this is Josh Chick here, and for today's videos I'm going to have the water test of our Y68 Smartwatch. Let's go. Alright guys, so welcome back to our channel again, and for today's videos I'm going to have the water test of our Y68 smartwatch. I know you guys have been asking me if this one is a waterproof. So I know this is a risk guys because I've never submerged it into the water. So we are going to test it. So I have here like 700 ml of water. So I put it in a big cup. Now we are going to submerge this one for 1 minute. Okay, so I have a timer here, so let's put this here and let's see if our Y68 smartwatch will still turn on. Okay, so are you guys ready? So let's put it in a test. Ooh, I hope that it will not be broken guys. So let's submerge this one. So our timer starts now. Okay, so it's 40 seconds. So I know guys that in the specification like it is IP67, but I really don't recommend you to wear it for swimming or like shower, just because with the price I know that it might not be, you know, a good thing to do. But we will find out now if this one will still work after we submerge it into the water for 1 minute. Okay, that's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and boom. Alright, so now let's check our smartwatch. So let's, okay, I'm just gonna wipe this one. Alright guys, so here it is. Our Y68 smartwatch is still alive and kicking. Yes, so guys, yeah, I think it's a splash proof, but with the waterproof it's only 1 minute, so I think it is still safe if you submerge it into the water, but I hope that it will not be that long. Alright, so guys, if you have any questions, just comment down below and I will try to check if there's still any problem with this smartwatch later on. Okay, and then if you like this video guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh and I'll see you soon.